Welcome to the AI Assistant Training video series. In this video, I am going to show you how to use YouTube Content section. Go to the left menu and click on YouTube Content. Choose the option of your choice. Now you are on YouTube Content section. You can write any type of AI-powered YouTube content from here. Just add the document title. About. Choose your language. Your creativity level. Phrase repetition level. Input presence level. And variation. And your content is ready. You can either copy it or download it. Thanks for watching the video.